SkipperBud's Yacht Center in Sturgeon Bay, taking you through the 2008 Sea Ray 210 Sun Deck. This boat is located here in Sturgeon Bay inside storage. You can see the spacious bow with dual loungers. You have a nice pass-through up right onto the non-skid bow underneath the anchor locker. Also have a wash down. Rinse the sand off your feet or rinse off the anchor as you pull it up. As we travel back to the cockpit, you can see dual flip-up bolsters for both pedestal seats. Then you have a head compartment as well. L-shaped seating group. And you also have a spot for a table input. Walk-through transom, so you don't have to step onto the furniture to get into your boat. Easy to board. Nice seat at the transom. Then you also have an oversized swim platform with non-skid flooring. Not pictured is a trailer that's also included with the boat. Stop in to schedule your showing today.